Petrol is highly flammable liquid, but it can also be used for cooking. To do this, you need 2 water bottles. Put petrol in one bottle in small quantity, and water in the second bottle. We are using water here for safety, so that petrol does not catch the fire. Connect 2 bottles with copper pipes as shown in this video. We are going to use an air pump, also known as aquarium pump. With the help of this air pump, we are going to produce bubbles in the petrol bottle. Bubbles turn into vapors, in the shape of gas. This gas moves to the next bottle. Then this gas passes through the water and goes directly in the output pipe, which is connected with the stove. Now we are ready to burn this gas. As you can see, it starts the flame. Size of the flame depends on the air pressure. If you increase the air pressure, flame becomes larger. To be on the safe side, use low-pressure air pump. You can use 100 milliliters petrol up to 5 hours of cooking. This video is for experimental purposes only. I hope you like it. For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel.